Elephant Intelligence Collection. Elephants have an excellent memory. They collect and retain social and ecological knowledge, remembering the smells and sounds of various individuals and other places over decades. Elephants can make subtle discriminations between predators, even between different groups of people, indicating that they understand the different levels of threat each poses. The behavior of elephants both in nature and in captivity shows that elephants can use their long-term memory to keep score and extract revenge for mistakes made. Elephants can distinguish between elephant bones and those of other animals, and they respond to elephant bones with special contemplation, showing a heightened interest in the skulls and tusks of their own species. Elephants are renowned for their memory, intelligence and sociality, and, like humans, these traits make them vulnerable to stress and trauma and their long-term psychological consequences. Elephants produce a variety of vocalizations, many of which contain frequencies below the hearing level of humans. Elephants use some of these powerful low-frequency calls to communicate with other elephants over long distances. Elephants can also seismically detect the vocalizations of their friends. When an elephant calls, an exact replica of this signal propagates separately on the ground. Elephants can distinguish between these vocalizations by their sensitive feet. They can detect earth tremors, thunderstorms and the footsteps of distant animals in the same way. That's some elephant intelligence.